What's going on, YouTube? Murdercase is back here out in some random parking lot. Got the Prius on me and decided why not make a video on the Toyota Prius, because I want to say it gets the most views, and I guess I'm gonna do a DoorDash. Oh, no. I made $12, guys, on DoorDash. Just sat here. Kind of depressing, to be honest. But hopefully my YouTube, I won't have to worry about making any money. So please, guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not. My name is Murdercase. I make car videos. Whoa, dude. Hello. Yeah, guys, I make car videos, specifically like POV vlog style with the GoPro, sort of what you're seeing right now. And I really enjoy making these videos. It's not going viral yet, but I do plan on doing some marketing with TikTok. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but I kind of just talk about like positive vibes, good energy, stuff like that. We need more positivity in our world, so hopefully I can make some change and provide that to a broader audience through YouTube. So I'm kind of waiting on this light. This is my first time hopping in the Prius in a long time. My daily driver right now is a 328xi. I love it to death. Go check out those videos. It's got twice as much horsepower, and it's all-wheel drive, and like the body platform much more like planted and stable and all that. The Prius is awesome for just, I guess, driving A to B economically. This car gets great gas mileage. I mean, you probably already know this. It's a Prius. It's a hybrid system, and it gets the job done. I certainly enjoy driving it. And it's very trippy getting in this car than the Beamer, just because like everyone, like the people in my area are very judgy of what you like wear, what car you drive, like where you live. It's like that kind of area that I live in. And there's pros and cons. I meet really cool people, but it's just like, I feel like that's what the area I live in feels like. And I'm 20 years old, kind of just YOLOing, doing this YouTube stuff. So like I said, guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not already. I hope that gave you some some intention to do that. I'm trying to provide entertainment and content. I'm gonna start doing it daily at this point. I need I need that YouTube money. I need to go cop me a 2020 like Beamer or something. I don't even know what I'd buy if I got a lot of YouTube money. Probably just travel. Honestly, guys, if you run it up, I'll be showing you guys travel videos, all kinds of stuff. I love traveling. I think that's one of my favorite things to do. And driving and traveling kind of goes hand in hand, but you can't fly to a different country. I like visiting different countries. I just visited St. Thomas in January. Go check out my YouTube video on one of the beach. I did like a sort of like a time lapse, but real time. It's so beautiful. Love to go there again. Very relaxing, very, very calming too. And here we go. Tesla Model X. Look at that thing. That thing is beautiful. And this road right here kind of takes me back to my area. And yeah, guys and women, that's what I did earlier this year. right now I've just been doing DoorDash for work. It sucks. Doesn't really work that well unless it's like Father's Day or like some type of holiday. Then it's definitely worth it. You get a lot of orders, but most of the time it's like not even all it. And then I have to get in this car also, which kind of deters me, because like I was saying, my 328 is like my daily driver. This is sort of just like a backup car my family has, so I'm not really like driving it all the time. This used to be my daily driver back in the day, and you know, I made good use of it. I mean, I put some miles on it. Right now it's 161,983 miles, and it's still, this thing still has lots of life left in it, for sure. The only thing is it's not fast and it's not all-wheel drive. So those are kind of like requirements for a car for me personally. Not to sound like a spoiled brat, but like I need something like nimble, and I like nimble cars for sure. And BMW with their 3 Series does a great job with what I just mentioned. It is naturally aspirated engine also. This is a hybrid. I will say the transmission is much smoother on this than the BMW, but BMW delivers power much smoother than this car for sure. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I need more ideas of what videos I should make. I'm kind of like having like a content creation burnout. I don't really know what the best way to move forward is. I mean, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. But I'd love some output from the community. Drop down and comment down below. I always reply, always look at the comments as best as possible. And I'm stuck behind a student driver. So yeah. But like I was saying, guys, I'm just out here posting vids, you know, having a good time. I got a good car group I'm probably gonna do some footage of, but that's gonna be in my BMW, not this one. Like I was saying, I'm having fun. I'm out here, you know, doing what I can to, you know, make it on YouTube for sure. Like, that's my dream. And you know, I'm gonna say into existence, I'm gonna be like a successful YouTuber. And you know, I'm just gonna end the video right there, guys. I mean, like I said, my name's Murderkiss. I make positivity in these videos, entertainment. I'll catch you guys soon. Take care. Peace.